Hey, it's Craig Chemay from ClearStarMedia.com, and today we are talking on ExpertVillage about YouTube, how to navigate through it and how to get your videos up on there. The last segment we talked about if you have a camera like this and you've got a video and you want to post on YouTube, this is a great way because it's small, you can shoot some video. The quality, of course, is not the greatest that you would get from a camcorder, but it's a quick, easy way to get up on the web. I'll show you another way in the next segment, but the other thing you want to do is if you have a video camera and you have the ability to get your files, let's say you bought a newer camera, it comes with a USB port or a FireWire and maybe a little editing software, you can make your files, edit them down, and then output them or render them as a Windows media file or a movie file, MOV file. And those are great files to utilize to put up on YouTube or MySpace actually. But we're talking with YouTube here. So the last we left off in the last segment, we were uploading a clip that I had from Paris Hilton out at one of a local hair. Now it says my upload is complete. Now be aware, sometimes it does take a little time for you to see the clip. But this time, because time passed since we last met, it was able to pick what they call a little thumbnail. It shows you a little clip of what it is and of course tells you about what is going on here. Now we've already had 2 people view this and the tag here is Paris Hilton Celebrity. That's how people are going to find you. Here's the URL. If I wanted to, I can highlight this URL, copy it, and paste it into an email, and I can spread the word that way that I have this clip out there. And it tells me, of course, if I have the clip as public, as private, and so on. Now, let's say we want to go ahead and edit this clip a little bit. Well, I simply click the Edit Video Info, and it will go ahead and show me. Now, look, it allows me to actually choose 3 different stills, and I choose which one. Now, I think the one in the middle, because it actually shows Paris, is the best clip that I'd want to use. I can go ahead and change the title of it, change the description, change the tag. Now remember, the tag is anything that if people search, they will be able to find that. I can change where it is, and then of course all the other options we talked about in the last segment. Once I'm happy with the changes, I can click cancel or upload. And then the next thing is that we can do is you can take a look at all your other videos that you have. Now you see I have some other videos here. I can also remove these videos very simply by clicking remove and it's gone. And that's a pretty basic way to get your stuff on YouTube.